Are you still paying the typing tax for your ideas, or is your computer finally starting to work for you? This week, the AI transition from chatbot to coworker, it just hit hyperdrive. Well, welcome to AI Monday. I'm your host, Jeff DeVerter. It's mid-January 2026. And if this week was any indication that this is the year the AI bubble officially becomes the AI backbone. You see, we're moving past simple prompts and into a world of autonomous agents. Today, I'm breaking down Anthropic's new local agent, Google's deep dive into your personal data, and why your office group chat is about to start doing your job for you. Well, let's dive in. All right, first out of the gate, in the news, Anthropic launched Claude CoWork for MacOS. Unlike browser-based chats, this is a local agent that lives in your folders. You see, in traditional web-based chatbots, it doesn't have access to that local file system that you have there, but Claude CoWork actually lives on the system, so it has access to all that information and can behave as you, helping to do the things that you need to do better, faster, well, hopefully better. Why is this so important? It's Claude code for the rest of us. It can organize files, draft documents, and execute multi-step workflows autonomously, all with your consent. Next up, Google rolled out personal intelligence, allowing Gemini to see your Gmail, your photos, and your calendar to provide context-aware help. Simultaneously, Salesforce rebuilt Slackbot into a full agent that can schedule meetings and find decisions across your entire workspace. Now, this is super important because we've hit the end of the general AI. Your tools now have your context. No more hunting for that one PDF in a Slack thread from 3 weeks ago. The agent already knows where it is. In fact, I used the Gemini features flying back from a trip to New York this week to prepare myself for a meeting with a customer the next day, all in the Gemini window. I was able to, well, look at all the email threads that had happened with me and that customer, look at all the documents that had been created, and generate an agenda and all the supporting information that I needed right there in Gemini. Pretty impressive stuff. Now, next up in the news, it's all about agentic commerce. AI is buying, not just browsing. You see, Google and Shopify launched the Universal Commerce Protocol, or UPC. It's an open standard that lets AI agents handle everything from product search to final checkout. Can you imagine having AI actually follow through all the way through the checkout? In fact, I was just having coffee with my friend last week, Sean, and he and I were talking about the fact that AI isn't just about, hey, draft an email anymore. It's actually taking you all the way through the entire process. Great conversation and a great coffee. You see, this is important because it's the collapse of the shopping funnel. If an agent can monitor prices and buy the best value laptop for your new hire automatically, the traditional retail website becomes, well, secondary to agent readability. All right, here's a little something to think about this week. With tools like Do Anything and MeSeeks, allowing agents to run for weeks, even months on their own, your job description, well, it's changing. We're moving from being operators of AI who type prompts to managers who oversee the digital workforce. If an AI can have its own email address and handle 30-day-long projects, well, what's the highest value use of your time this week? Hint, it's probably not data entry. Well, it was a massive week for productivity. Which of these tools are, well, you most likely to trust with your files? Is it Claude? Is it Gemini? Or the rebuilt Slackbot? Let me know down in the comments. If you aren't subscribing to this channel, well, there are new episodes every single week. I break down everything that happened the week before in AI that you need to know about, so you don't have to read all those articles. Subscribe. You don't want to miss any of these videos. And I hope you find these updates helpful. If your company needs help taking the next step with AI, or is interested in a proven methodology to see real AI impact and not just proof of concepts, well, reach out to me. I literally fly around the country every single week, helping companies find real success with AI, and I'd love to help yours. You'll find a link down in the description below. Until next week, folks, keep sharpening those AI skills, and I'll be back with another update next Monday. I'll see you then.